Exoair equipment for air conditioning trucks. The latest generation. High performance and maximum economy. Intelligence in temperature control. This equipment includes an easy-to-understand guide for fast and safe installation. Once the equipment is received, verify the contents in the box. If applicable, remove any elements that would interfere with the installation of the equipment. Using the bottom of the device's base, measure where the device will be centered on the inside of the cabin. Use the internal base measurements as a reference for the base placement on the outside of the cabin. The center of the base is marked, and then an outer box is marked 1 inch outside of the internal box. Highlight the box and cut along the outer mark. After the exterior cut, the upholstery is cut very carefully to not damage the interior of the cabin. Then, cut from the inside, exposing the location where the equipment will be installed. The adhesive protector is removed from the rubber ring, centered and placed on the unit. The equipment is placed to ensure the accuracy of the installation. Seal the rubber ring with silicone to ensure a sturdy installation and prevent leakage. If applicable, after the equipment is installed, the interior supports included in the box can be added and changed in size to fit the dimensions of different vehicles. Make sure to leave the cable for the cabin lights on the inside of the cabin. Then install the screws. On the base of the equipment, install the electrical bridge cables. These will power the lights on the unit. For any questions, please refer to the installation manual. This is what the inside of the cabin looks after installation of the equipment. Once the equipment is installed, the screws on the outside housing are removed. Then remove the casing to access the valves. Vacuum out the air from the valves where the refrigerant gas is to be injected. The electrical wiring of the equipment is then positioned to attach to the vehicle's batteries. It's important to remember that both the positive and negative cables go on the ends of the batteries, positive to positive of the first battery and negative to negative of the last battery. Ensuring that everything is off, it is charged with Freon gas or refrigerant gas from 550 to 600 grams or 1.2 pounds. The previously removed housing is placed back on, and the screws that support it are tightened. Once in the cabin, on the equipment screen, there are 4 different operation modes and 6 different fan speeds. There are internal lights for the comfort and convenience of the driver. To configure the unit in low voltage operation, you must press the fan icon for 6 seconds. Once this function appears, you can vary the voltage, which normally should be between 11.2 and 10.8 volts. When the truck is off, it is recommended to use Eco mode. This cuts the amperage consumption in half, from 60 amperes to 30 amperes. It is very important to always use it in Eco when the truck is off to save battery. Exoair equipment for air conditioning trucks. The latest generation. High performance and maximum economy. Intelligence in controlling the temperature in your cabin. Reliability and guarantee in each of its components.